Welcome to BuzzBoosterTv.
I'm Shahar.
And I'm Nash.
Today, a neuromarketing tip.
NeuroMarketing tip.
Let's really understand how behavior and the mind works here when we are trying to create a habit. You know, we all want our customers to create a habit of consuming from us.
Yep.
Right? Like even this video. I hope you come back very often
to
watch it every single episode.
Every week.
But the thing is that just showing once the video for you
not enough.
Will not do it. You know, it's very important for a human being to go through repetition several times and in a short period of time.
Repetition multiple times and in a short period of time.
Exactly. So for
Why?
example, because then it's when we create habits. Some people say, oh, you have to do that for 21 days. Well, you have to find a trigger that brings you reward. So when I do something, trigger something that brings me reward, and that will create the repetition for the next time. So for example, let's take some successful businesses like Facebook.
Ooh, yes.
Okay, so what happens when you start using Facebook?
So I post an image.
You post an image and somebody likes your image.
I get 1 like.
Well, reward that somebody likes my picture.
All right, well now I post another picture. Let's hope we get at least 1 like and maybe
we get
a comment.
3 likes.
We get 3 likes.
Yes, what happened? Again, it trigger reward.
Reward.
And then you come back the next day and do the same thing.
Yes. Now, I'm going to put this. I've been studying anthropology, so I'm going to talk about monkeys.
Oh.
Not to compare you to monkeys.
No.
But listen, when they do these exercises with monkeys, it's very similar, right? The monkey does the right thing, he gets a treat.
Yes.
He does the wrong thing, he doesn't get a treat. Then he does the right thing again, he gets another treat. And this way, you're conditioning that monkey.
Exactly.
It's the same thing. We're being conditioned.
Yes.
When we get a like, we get a comment, when we get tons of likes.
Yes. But in social media, for example, that happens in a short period of time, multiple times.
Yes.
So what you have to ask yourself today, if you're a Facebook user,
what am I going to post?
Exactly. And how often do you go there? How really much of your day that takes out because you're always checking if somebody commented something or
and
said
even
something.
Sometimes you don't go online, but you check on your phone. For instance, I know I do.
Exactly. So other businesses like that, Pinterest, Instagram, right? You get rewarded every time you use it, and then you start using it on a constant basis until you become addicted to that. Yes, it is a type of addiction. Well, now we have to think, okay, so it needs to have repetition. Okay, it needs to bring a reward of some time, right? So it makes you come back and create that repetition, and then it creates addiction. And once people are addicted to the product or the service, they stick to that.
Yes.
Right? So question?
Question, in your business, is it maybe
yes,
is this a question you're going to ask? Okay, in your business, what can you do to create this addiction?
This addiction, right? Yes, of course. For example, let's take videos. We can create good content, right? So you're listening to this now and you say, okay, that triggers an idea in your brain on how you can change something in your business in order to create a habit and
implement it.
You implement.
You see results.
Then what happens next?
I got to watch again.
Because maybe next episode.
I've been rewarded.
Exactly. Maybe next episode we'll have another tip that will help your business.
Yes.
Right? Same thing we share. You share once, you share twice, and then somebody says, oh, thank you very much for sending that video. It was really great. I changed something in my business and I saw results. You get rewarded, you share even more.
Yes.
Okay? So you have to think, in my business, products or services, what can I do to start creating this mechanism that will foster repetition, reward, and then later create addiction so people stick to you and not to all the others in your competition.
Foster repetition, reward.
Yes.
I forgot the other one.
You get a reward and then you create addiction.
Create addiction. Foster repetition, reward, create addiction.
It's the best way to run a business that people will really stay around you.
That's right.
Okay, this is a very good tip. If you stop and think, there will be an action item there for you to do.
Yes.
To do the same thing in your business. And next week, we have another cool tip.
Oh,
so
yes.
Don't forget to share.
Yeah.
Yes, and come back next week.
And implement and come back next week.
See you next time.
See ya.